Right there, Doc. Oh my God!
Back a little bit, back a little bit.
Yeah! Look at that.
We've already had 3 bites, 1 all the way in. The shark got it.
Yeah.
We just had a head. Come on, Bronny. You got it, buddy. We got you. Here's Brocky. We already got a hit at 10:45. What do you think, Braun?
That's 10:58.
10:58. We're all trying to get it done. Dale's helping. Mr. Parker's here. We got in 106 feet of water, so it's pretty early, but it is 73 degrees, so which is a good temperature for WAHOO.
Big fish, big fish, big fish.
Come on, guys.
Come on.
Woo! Woo! Holy cow, baby! Big fish! Big fish, buddy! Way to go! Woo! Woo, buddy! Dude, look at that WAHOO! Dude!